How to fix a car that won't start. Step 1. Check the battery. Ensure it's not dead or weak by turning on the headlights or using a voltmeter. Step 2. Tighten battery connections. Make sure terminals are clean and cables are securely attached. Step 3. Test the key. Try a spare key or check if the key fob battery is dead. Step 4. Check for fuel. Ensure there's gas in the tank. Step 5. Listen for the fuel pump. Turn the key to on and listen for a humming sound from the rear. Step 6. Inspect the starter. Tap on the starter gently with a tool to free it if it's stuck. Step 7. Check the spark plugs. Ensure they are not fouled or damaged. Step 8. Inspect fuses. Look for blown fuses in the fuse box related to ignition or fuel. Step 9. Check the neutral or clutch position. Ensure the car is in park or neutral, or the clutch pedal is fully depressed. Step 10. Look for immobilizer issues. Check if a security light is flashing, indicating a key or system problem. Thanks for watching.